Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Crochet Fashion Area. I hope you all guys will be fine and safe. Where we dive into the mesmerizing world of crochet creativity. Today I'm thrilled to share with you some breathtaking crochet design that will inspire your next project. But before we unravel this yarn-filled adventure, let's jump right into the colorful and cozy world of crochet design. Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey with us? Let's begin the journey. In today's video, we are going to explore our best crochet collection for women. We have different types of crochet design. If you want to see different crochet design, you must visit our channel. There we regularly explore our new crochet design. New Ideas Crochet Valentine Day Gift Ideas Collection. New Ideas Crochet Valentine Day Garland Designs Collection. Beautiful and different color combination crochet garland design ideas Valentine Day 2024. Beautiful crochet decoration designs Valentine Day. In this video we show you this some crochet Valentine Day Garland Designs collection. These all collection are very useful. These collection will definitely help you to improve your personality. These are all handmade crochet garland design in Valentine Day. We always have some stylish and luxury collection of crochet Valentine Day designs collection. You can see the beauty of these crochet Valentine Day Garland Designs Ideas collection. I hope you will enjoy the video. Do not forget to subscribe the bell icon and also join our growing family. Our every video is a new adventure for you. Thanks for watching my video.